Space Chats is a feature that you can turn on inside of Spaces. So in our Hiking Mighty network here, we have local groups. This one is for hikers who live in Bend, Oregon. And this is a chat that we have going with all of them to organize their next meetup. So lots of things that you can do inside of here. To turn on this feature, what you'll do is you'll go to Space Admin, either in the three-dot menu here or in the gear icon. And what you'll do is you'll go to Space Features and Chat, and then toggle this on or off. And you can even change the display name. So it'll be, by default, it'll be called Chat, but you could change it to Chit Chat if you'd like to. And in here, the way that you submit a chat message is in this dialog box down here. You can hit this plus icon here and add a photo or file from your computer. You can add a GIF. You can add an emoji. You can emoji inside of a message. And then once you go ahead and send, you can react to a particular message. So you can go ahead and choose the plus icon or the react icon here and react to it. To remove your reaction, you just click it again. And then you can also reply in line here with another GIF or a photo or file and emoji. So the same options that you have originally when you post a comment. And then you can also delete as well. So say, for example, you didn't mean to send that, you can just go ahead and delete any of the messages that you would like to. Coming soon, we will be using this space over here and be showing you a list of recent members that have been chatting in this space over the last 30 days. You'll get to see who is most active. They'll float to the top. You'll get to see who is online, and you'll be able to click into their profile photos and look at their profiles directly. So lots more to come inside of Space Chats.